Some tips to run your PC faster. You can use OS recovery option, which you get in boot menu when you start your PC and press the boot menu key. In Dell laptops, you have to press F12 several times to get this option. In some other laptops, the keys are different. For example, F10 is for HP laptop. So OS recovery tool helps to fix the issues which are occurring on your computer related to OS. Support Assist OS Recovery has 4 options: scan hardware, repair system, backup files, and restore system. First 2 options, scan hardware and repair system, are important. You have to run the scan for both things, and it will scan some important parts like hard disk, cable, memory, fan, and battery. And finally, it will help you to fix the issues related to system files and the OS. If OS gets faster, automatically your PC will run fastly. Second option is to run the disk cleanup. Disk cleanup is a utility software. Disk cleanup is used to clean the temporary files from the PC and error log files which take unnecessary space. So what is a utility software? It is a software which helps in computer maintenance by performing several tasks like disk management, compression, file management, and protection against viruses. So what are the steps to open disk cleanup? You can press Windows plus R and then you can type clean mgr or in capital or small letters. Let me show you. Windows R and then you have to write clean mgr and you have to select the disk drive which you want to clean, and it will start the disk cleanup process. It will calculate how much space you will be able to free. Finally, you will get this window in which you can start selecting the files you want to clean. Cleaning of drive has been started, so it will take some time. If you have large sized files, it will take more time. Another option is to just press Windows plus R and %temp and it will also display the temporary files. You can select and you can just Control A to select all the files and you can delete them. It will also take some time to clean the temporary files from your PC. Third option is to use disk defragmenter. What does disk defragmenter do? It clears the fragmented portions from your disk, hard disk drives, and Finally, the access speed for the data will increase, which will automatically increase the speed of your PC. So you have to So it is a utility software to defragment the disk drives to increase speed of accessing data. Steps to open the disk defragmenter are: you have to press Windows plus R, then you have to type DFRGUI in small letters or capital letters. Windows R DFRGUI. So this defragmenter window will open up and it will help you to analyze the portion which is fragmented, and to defragment it you have to analyze the disk, and it will start analyzing, and you can change the schedule of analysis and frequency as daily. Change settings, it is weekly, it is monthly, you can select daily so that the data access speed will be maintained, and finally your PC will run faster. The fourth option is to remove unnecessary software or files. Obviously, if you are storing a large number of files, then the data access speed will be affected. So you must remove the unnecessary software or files. And software also requires update, and it always interrupts other processes asking for updation of the software. So you can remove if the software or files are not necessary. Next option is to upgrade RAM. RAM is random access memory. It is a volatile memory which is used by the currently executed programs. So if you increase the RAM size, then obviously the more number of programs you can run, and it will not hamper the speed of the PC. But it is always advised to run less number of programs at a time. Next option is don't install suspicious software and uninstall any software that slowed down the PC. The next option is don't install suspicious software and uninstall any software that slowed down the speed of your PC. Next option is you should switch to solid state drive because it is based on flash media and it is made up of integrated circuits, so it is faster than the normal hard disk drives we use. Keep less number of files on the desktop, as a large number of files can slow down your PC. So it is always advised to keep only important files on the desktop and remove the unnecessary files and store it in drives. And use antivirus and scan your system regularly and remove viruses. So these were some of the tips to run your PC smoothly. But if there are serious issues, then you have to contact some hardware or software support so that you can find out which issues are slowing down your PC. Thank you for watching the video.